Hi, let's make this table buttercream. First of all, you need 200 grams of butter or margarine. I'm actually using Napa margarine. You want to use your electric whisk, your mixer, or wooden spatula to thoroughly whisk it. When you whisk it, you take a longer time to whisk it. At the end of the day, you see it because gives you this pale color. I like it like this. It's not too yellowish. So it is very very good like that. Next, you need 500 grams of properly sifted sugar. Why you sift it is that you don't want lumps. Most times this icing sugar have stayed long in the store, you might not know. So to be on the safe side, it is better you sift it, you remove every lumps or any dirt that might be in or found in it. So that is the best thing to do. Next is we keep on adding a little of the confectionery sugar, and then add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor or any flavor. You can use butterscotch, you can use milk flavor, just any flavor of your choice to give it that beautiful, that sweet savor, that sweet scent. So you want to whisk it. I whisk it until all is properly combined, batch by batch. You might want to fold it like this. This prevent your kitchen from becoming a smoky chimney. So after you have mixed it with your spatula like this, you continue mixing with your hand wicks, or I now change to a wooden spatula because it is much more stronger and sturdy. So at the end of the day, this is my buttercream. It is ready. You can use it to decorate your cake. You can use it for crumb coating. I used mine for cake. You see, it is not that too yellowish. If you like this, don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and tell me what you think about it. Thank you so much for watching, liking, and commenting. Bye.